That was actually part of the very first song that I ever composed.
Impressive.
Thank you.
I didn't even know that you played. What is your occupation?
I'm an R&B pop singer, songwriter, and actress, known for my Grammy shortlisted debut EP Best Life, and for my roles on television in shows like Scandal, Blackish, and most recently, My Worst Nightmare.
What is your secret food vice?
Ooh, secret food vice. Definitely chocolate chip cookies. I like to think that I sneak them out of the box, but it's not my best kept secret.
Do you have a secret cold remedy that your dad or mom or grandmother shared with you?
Green tea with honey, ginger, and lemon. If I'm feeling especially congested, then I'll throw in some cayenne just to give it a kick. But my old college roommate would probably say that the best cold remedy is meatball soup. She and I used to make that together all the time. This is my family, by the way. These are my parents. Love that photo. We have some more around the corner. We have me here at the age of about 3 or 4. I was in the Gaspé where I spent the first 7 years of my life. We had really, really great memories from back there. And down here is my younger brother, Nicholas. He is quite the character. And my parents again. I love that wedding photo. So beautiful. We don't need to look at that one. That's a little embarrassing. Instead, let's move over here. This is the Governor General and I is receiving my Gold Award for the Duke of Edinburgh.
Beautiful family. What is your #1 comfort food?
My #1 comfort food, definitely my grandmother's Bohemian baked macaroni and cheese. It is heaven sent. And margarita pizza and brown sugar bubble tea come in close second.
What is your biggest food challenge?
My biggest food challenge is probably sticking to the vegetarian and vegan dishes that I love when around my family of carnivores.
What must you always have in your fridge?
Water. Water is an essential. And the San Pellegrino Arancetta Rosa is really nice for when your sweet tooth takes over. Can I get you anything?
No thanks, I'm fine. What is the strangest food you've ever tried and what was your verdict?
Cow intestine stew. It was surprisingly well seasoned, but I just couldn't get past the texture of the dish.
What was your favorite food as a child?
Cheese. Believe it or not, cheese was actually my very first word as a child. I used to go through half a block of that stuff a day. Would probably do the same thing now if I didn't know better.
Final question. What's next for you?
Next? Well, I am actually super excited because I just released my new radio single, Hotel Key, featuring Jason Vito. And I am about to head out on my very first Canadian tour. Got a bunch of dates set in Halifax, Hamilton, Ottawa, Montreal, and upcoming dates in Toronto. So stay tuned for that. Afterwards, there will be new music videos and a new album.
Looking forward to it. Thanks again.
Of course, thanks for coming over. Stay warm out there.